Hello students, I am Aniket Kirsch and we are on chapter 3 formulas and functions, and this is part 3 of that, and we are here, right? We are here in common functions. So let's see. So first of all, let's see what is max function. Okay, what is max function? So let's see. Let me open this MS Excel first. So here, suppose we have some datas here: 34, 45, 65, 23, 98, 45, 23, 56. Randomly some numbers have been written here. So I want to find out the maximum value out of this. Maximum value 34, 45, 65, all these are numbers, and which one is the maximum, highest number किसमें है? This is the marks. Suppose this is the marks of maths out of 100. Okay, and this is Sunil, this is Pankaj. So like this we have marks of every students. So who got the highest marks? Suppose I want to calculate this highest marks case. Here I can see only few numbers are there, but suppose lot of numbers are there, or something, some datas are there. I want to see the maximum value. So suppose I want the maximum value in this. So I can write the function. I can use the function equal to max function. Okay, equal to max function, then bracket open, then cell range. Cell range means from which cell to which cell. So first cell, that is D2. 34 is written in D2. So D2 to D2, from D2 to where? D10. Okay, D10, this value, right? D10. So I want, so then close the bracket. This is the max function. It will find out the maximum value, right, out of the given value datas. So the maximum value is 98. We can see we got the value, answer 98. So all of these values, all of these datas, 98 is the maximum one. Understood? Now in the same way, main function. Main function, let's see. In place of max, I will write min. M equal to min, then bracket open, then range D2 to D10, right? The values are written in D2 to D10, right? This is the range. Now I will close the bracket. Now press enter key. 23 is the minimum value, right? Max value, max function, min function we have seen. Now one count function is there, right? Count function. Let's see. Up count function, what it will do? How many values we have written? Like this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. It will count it, number of values. So equal to count, count function we will apply, bracket open, range D2 to D10. I have written, close the bracket. Now press enter. 9 values are there. We got the value 9. Let us count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. 9 values are there. We got the exact answer, right? So this is count function, max, min, count. So we have seen this max function we have seen, right? So this maximum function we have seen, then this minimum function also we have seen, this count function also we have seen. Now next is today function, right? Today function will tell you the name of the today function will tell you the date of today. Okay, so let's see an example of it. Suppose in this bracket I want the, in this cell I want the date, display the date of today. So I will directly write equal to today, and bracket open, bracket close, parenthesis, right? Open, close. Only this much I will write and press enter key. See, 21-07-20. This is the date of today. In the same way, equal to, if I will write equal to month, then in bracket today, then parenthesis open, close, then bracket close of the month, then enter. So we got the value 7, month 7, right? So exactly month of today's date is 7, right? In the same way, if I will write year, equal to year, equal to year I have written, then bracket parenthesis open, and inside this I will write today's year, right? कौन सा year चल रहा है अभी, and then bracket open close of today, then of year. Now I will press enter. 20 will be the 2020 is the answer, right? In the year 2020 year is going on. Like month, date, year of today we can display it separately also. Understood? Now next. So this all things we have seen. This today and this month today, year today, day also we can display. Let me show you day of day, right? Suppose I will write equal to day, right? Equal to day, bracket open, of today's, right? Today's day, right? I am talking about today's date. So I will close this parenthesis for today and then of day. Now press enter key. 21. So what is the day today? 21. Okay, like this. So this all things we understood. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. So in text form also you can display. In the end you can see in text form also we can display equal to text today then month. Let me show you this also. Equal to text, equal to text of today, right? Today. Now in the format text today in the format, let us see what exactly is the format. Today month, right? So today function we will write, then m in the this m. Now I will close this. Now this is the text value, then format text. This is the format of the text, right? So now I will press it. Equal to format, some mistakes we have done. Let me check from the book. Today, after text we have opened this today. We forgot to put that mark, right? Before close here I am closing the parenthesis, but here this double quotes I forgot, right? Now I will close. Now let me press enter key. July. So in this format you can also see the text or year, date or something like that using the today function. Understood? So this is the format like this, you can display such things, day and all, right? For now next, let's go to the next page. Okay, this is the last page. Formula errors. In Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel displays an error message instead of the value, right? If this type of errors are displayed, so this kind of errors are displayed when if the column is not having enough space, right? If the column is not having enough space. Suppose if the column is not having enough space, right? Something, wait, you have written some value in it, like this you have written. Okay, now press enter. Like this, if you write unlimited numbers, right, and if you press enter, so sometimes it shows that it is having some limit. If that is not having enough number of capacity, if you will cross that limit, then it will show an error, and that is the occurs only if the column is not having enough space. Okay, like this, right? And one error is, let me tell you, suppose I am writing something here, equal to sum, right? Equal to sum, then bracket open, then something I have written, then press enter. This what it is saying? So it is showing an error. It is showing some error. What kind of error it is? You can see this. It occurs if the following formulas is used incorrectly. So we have used the formula in an incorrect manner. It is used. See, this error is we got, right? So this is when we use the formula in an proper way, incorrect way. Now next, this order occurs if the number is divided by 0. Let's see this also. If we will divide any number by 0, suppose in this I will write 2, then divide by then 2 divided by 0. Now enter. So this is oblique, it is considering it as an oblique, right? 2 divided by 0. This is also not considering. Where's the, how you will write? Suppose we will write bracket open /0. This is also not considering. Sometimes we will calculate any number by okay, suppose in this I will write 2 and in this 0. Now in this I want 2 divided by 0. So what I will write? Equal to this value, okay, this upon this, okay. So this is the, we have written cell address. So see, this error we got. So this is when we divide any number by 0. So this way we can see different kinds of errors, right? So on the basis of different, sometimes this errors, sometimes this errors, and sometimes this error and this error. These 4 types of errors we have seen, right? Now next. So let's start exercises now. So options are there also there in the next page. You can see it from the book, right? So formulas are used to perform calculations, right? Obviously formulas are used to perform calculations. Why we use formulas? To do calculations, right? Calculations. I am unable to write, so write it, okay, of your own. So this is the way to, here it is, here we will have the calculation, right? Formulas are used for calculations. A formula always begins with an dash sign, obviously equal to symbol. Formulas, whenever we apply any functions or formulas, we write it with equal to, right? The cell address in a formula is also called cell address, means what? Cell reference, right? Cell address is also called cell reference. We will also call it as cell reference, okay. Now next, the cell address in a formula bar that does not change on copying is considered as, what is it? Right, absolute reference, right? Absolute reference. This will be here. Now okay, now let's see. The cell address is to use this sheet reference, you need to enter sheet number using what? You have to use sheet number and then exclamation mark, right? Exclamation mark. You can use the word exclamation also, exclamation mark, and the cell address. Obviously we have to use the cell address also, then only we will be able to access the values from another sheet, right? Sheet number, then exclamation mark and cell address, okay. Now next page, okay. Sorry, as it is not clear, the whatever book the student has sent me is like this only, right? So for the timing for this chapter only adjust, from next onward we will clear, the view will be digital, right? Dash are the inputs in function which accepts values as number or text. Tell me, what will be the answer? So here the answer is argument, right? This one is the answer. Arguments are the input to functions which accepts values as numbers of text, right? A function must be followed by opening and closing parenthesis, right? This is parenthesis. So in the this options we have here this parenthesis. Okay, done. Now next, true and false. So formulas begins with question mark symbol. Is it true? Question mark? No. Always formulas begins with a equal to symbol, right? In absolute referencing, the relative positions of the rows and columns changes where you copy a formula. No, it is also false. Now, combined reference is the type of cell reference. No, it is not a cell reference. False. The absolute referring $sign is used before the cell coordinates. No, yes. Okay, dollar. Okay, yes, it's a correct one. True. Okay. A range can be used in formulas. A range can be, obviously we have seen the number of times that we use ranges in formulas, right? Now next. Sheet tab can be renamed. Sheet tab. Okay, tell me, sheet tab cannot be renamed. It can be renamed, right? So it is false. Sheet tab can be renamed, but here it is given cannot, so it is false. Some function is used to find sum of values. Some function is used to find sum of values. Obviously, some function is to add the values, right? So this also we have completed. Now next, application based questions. A sports teacher has measured the height of the students in a class. Soumya has given the assignment to find the maximum value and minimum height of the students. Suggest the function which she should use to accomplish the task. Obviously, max function we have just today seen this max function today. So max function and to find the maximum value, maximum height, and min function to find the minimum height or minimum value, right? These two functions. Okay. Now next, Miss Priya and her friends got a raise of 10% in their salaries. Find the total amount if the present salary is rupees 15,000. Calculate the salary by using the formula. 10% hike. Okay, find the total amount if the present salary is 15,000. Total amount. Okay, so 10% increase, right? So here calculate the salary by using the formula. What we can do, what we will apply here, 15,000, right? 15,000 is the salary and we will increase it by 10%. So we will multiply it by into 110 by 100, right? And if we will calculate it, then we will get the answer. So we will apply this formula in in Excel and we will get the answer. Okay. Now next, I will don't worry, I will send you the answer copies of the PDF also, so don't worry. Now see, let's come to this multiple choice question. To use this sheet reference, which address is appropriate out of the following? Sheet 1, we know exclamation mark is used, right? But in this sheet 1 is written later, it is written earlier, but here comma is written, so this is the correct one, right? Sheet 1, then exclamation mark, and then D4. Okay, so this is wrong, this is also wrong. Okay, understood? This one is the answer. Which key combination is used to get the total of the adjacent cell? Total of the adjacent cell. Obviously, some function. Adjacent cells means when we select a range, right? Some function. Which function finds the largest number in a range? Obviously, max function, count is for counting, average is to calculate average. So max function, largest number I want to find. Understood? Right? So next, wait a minute, but here we can, this is also plus equal to is also correct. And right? Which key combination is used to get the total of adjacent, right? So in case of adjacent, it is used. It is sum is actually to apply the formula, right, equal to some function. So this will be answer. In this case, you can take this one, okay, alt plus equal to. This will calculate the for every number of formulas are there to apply, and the different methods are also there to apply all this. Okay? So you can use for adjacent cells, you can use this. Okay, this will be the correct answer. So in the first, this will be your answer. In second, this, and the third, this. Okay. Now wait a minute. Now next, okay, see which function returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. So to return to take the remainder, to see the remainder, which function returns the remainder after number is, when we divide anything, dividend, divisor, and remainder. And have you seen? So how can we use the remainder? You can see the remainder by this mode function, right? Mode. Which of the given cell reference can be included in the relative reference, right? So here the answer will be A3, right? A3. Which of the given cell reference can be included in relative reference? In the case of relative reference, we use A3 or A4, D5, column and rows. That is the address of the cell, is the cell reference, right? So what is formula? All this question answer I am sending you the PDF for it, right? So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.